In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Claude Code in Terminal. By the end, you will feel comfortable launching it. Signing in the first time and chatting right from your command line. Start by opening your Terminal application. This can be Terminal on macOS, Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows, or your favorite terminal on Linux. Once it's open, type Claude and press Enter. That command starts the tool, and you will see it begin to initialize. Give it a moment to load. The first launch may take a few seconds as it prepares everything behind the scenes. If it's your first time, a special sign-in link will appear directly in the terminal. You can click that link if your terminal supports clickable URLs. If not, press the C key to copy the link to your clipboard. Then head to your web browser, paste the link into the address bar and go to the page. You will be prompted to sign in with your Anthropic account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in. This step securely connects your terminal session to your account so you can use Claude Code without re-entering credentials in the terminal. After you see confirmation in the browser, return to your terminal. You should now be ready to interact. Think of Claude in the terminal like a focused chat companion. Type what you need: questions, explanations, or code-related prompts and press Enter. Claude will respond right there in your terminal window, keeping your workflow streamlined without switching apps. There are a few / commands that make the experience smoother. Type /help to see the available commands at any time. This is a quick way to remind yourself of controls without leaving the terminal. If your conversation gets long, use /compact to reduce the conversation size and save tokens. This keeps the session efficient by trimming older context while preserving the essentials. When you are done, type /exit to leave Claude and return to your normal terminal prompt. That way, you can immediately get back to other command line tasks without closing your terminal. That's the full flow. Thanks for watching.